So is FABFITFUN worth the hype? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Gogui and I run TimelessLook. Today I am very eager and excited to do this unboxing with you guys because first of all, it's the first time I've ever ordered from a subscription service. Second, yeah, it really looked fun. I was bored one night and I find it attractive to roam around the internet and buy this subscription service. FABFITFUN is for $49.99. However, there are a couple of codes around the internet where you can get them for like $10 less, and it's my first time ordering it, so I really don't know what to expect out of it. They made a little survey asking me questions and I had to choose in between a couple of answers, and I guess that's to see what my preferences are and what things they would send me that would fit, I guess, my lifestyle. My plan in this video is to show you what I got based on the questions that they asked me, and also to let you know if this product is worth it or not, in my opinion. So without further ado, let's get this started. This is the FABFITFUN box, and it's pretty big and it's pretty heavy. So let's see what it has inside. Inside it comes with a couple of promotional items. And yeah. So this is how it looks. That's my FABFITFUN box. And this is the one for summer 2018. And I believe everyone's would be personalized in a different choices that they have for the Summer Fit Fab Fun box. First thing I see is this BryoGeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, which has no sulfates, no silicones, or parabens. And this is a hair mask, and it says that is to enhance shine and repair damaged hair as well as reduce breakage. So I'm going to be using this to see how it works. We also have this Kate Somerville all types of skin exfoliant. So it's an intensive exfoliant treatment. And this is it. We have two Tarte lipsticks. Let's see how they are. I love the colors. If you've seen videos of me before, you might have realized that I love nudes. So these are two nudes, I think. It's called Tartist, a glossy lip paint in color Gogui. And the second one is another lip paint, and this is in color Salty. So these two, pretty nice. I love, I'm living for these. I think I'm gonna wear this one. No, the more pinkish one. It's like a pinkish and a peachy nude, to see how it looks on me, and I'm gonna do some swatching on the other. Mind you, I'm using my iPhone as a mirror. I basically just used both of them together. I like how it looks. It's a little bit muted, and it's also to the colder side. At least on me, it looks more, instead of like a warmish nude, it looks like a more of a cold nude. And it's a peachy matte color and like a glossy butter. We have a hot and cold gel pack. This is going to be useful, and I really like teal, so it's microwavable and freezable, so you have it iced if you have a headache, or if you're in your period. Sorry, but if you just are, it's good to have it hot. Put it in the microwave and put it on yourself. We also have this French lavender. I love lavender. It's a body wash buffer. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand, and I've seen it a lot around social media. It smells so good. And it's basically like a sponge that has soap in it, and like essential oils as well. So it hydrates and exfoliates, as well as obviously cleanses the skin. So this is something I'm eager to use. Then we also have a Free People and understated leather sleeping mask. Oh my gosh, I'm living for this. It is so comfortable, and it's like a pillowy, like a very nice, I don't know if you can hear it. It's kind of, this is so comfortable, and it smells so good too. I'm so excited to use this. I love eye masks. Like, can't sleep without one. It's been a good 2 to 3 months that I've been sleeping with my eye mask, and I just can't sleep if I don't have mine. 2 other things we have in this box is this Aisha Curry. Ooh, an Aisha Curry mug. I've heard about this. I think the brand is homemade. Correct me if I'm wrong, but let's see how it is. Again, loving the blue teal color. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'd rather be in bed. This is so me right now. I got my tea. I got my mask because I'm too lazy to wake up. Please. And lastly but not leastly, we have this. What is this? Oh my gosh, this is cute. We have this pouch with this leather pouch, floral, very earthy tone, very nice, very pretty pouch, and it's by Rachel Pally. So it's super pretty. It has also something like a pouch in the inside for you to store things. I find this very cute, very different. I guess you can, or the intention is also to wear it like this. This looks so cute. Oh my gosh, I really like this. Or like this. Super cute. Or like a messenger bag, like forget about it. It's very cute. So my final thoughts on spending $40 on this box is that it was well worth it. Like, I got so many things, and they're full-size items, and they're very pretty. They're very trendy for the time being. Like, this is a very summery box. Like, we have exfoliants, we have, and things that fit all year round, like these. I find this very nice, a very cool box. So if you are hesitant on buying the box or not, I think like once you fill out the survey, it kind of gets to know what you want or what are the items they have to offer would suit you best. I think it was a good thing to try, and I would definitely recommend any of you, if you were hesitant on getting the FABFITFUN box, to get it, because you are spending $40 and you are getting a lot of items, and they're very good items. So is FABFITFUN worth the hype? Yes, it is worth the hype. Or I'll put a couple of codes down below, because I've seen a lot of people that have their FABFITFUN codes. There you have a $10 code for you to buy your FABFITFUN. And with that being said, peace and love, my timeless souls. I'll be seeing you in the next one.